joining the data frame. How to join two different data frames. Okay, how to, in this video we will see how to join two different data frames. Okay, how to match two different data frames. Here, combining the data from various data frames. Data frames is nothing but representation of data in the form of rows and columns. Okay, representation of data in the form of rows and columns is known as joining. Combining the data from various data frames is known as joining or merging the data. Okay, but this can be done only when the data frames being combined have common column. You can perform joining between two different data frames, but this can be done only when the data frames being combined have a common column. This, the two data frames should have common column, then only you can do this type of joinings here. Okay, so there are four types of joining available: inner join, left join, right join, full node join. In this video we will see inner join. Okay, so what is inner join here? What is inner join? So if you, this is the data frame here. Okay, player's age and the player's salary. Observe here, player name, age, and Rohit Sharma 36 age, Virat Kohli 35, Hardik Pandya 30, and the player's salary is another data frame. Okay, this is another data frame here. Player name, salary, Rohit Sharma 50, Virat Kohli 60, Jasprit Bumrah salary 40. These are the two different data frames, and here we are performing inner join to combine these two data frames. Okay, we are performing inner join for these two data frames here. Okay, combining two data frames to inner join this one. Okay, how we perform step by step we will see. Okay, so this is the inner join here. So this is a one circle is a left join, and the another circle is a right join. So inner join returns the common rows between the two data frames. Okay, the common rows between the two data frames means this give intersection of rows of both data frames. That means the row that appear commonly in both the data. Okay, the row that means the row that can appear commonly in both the data frames you will see here. Okay, so if we observe here, we are performing inner join here for these two, player's age and player's salary. So what are the common rows between them? And to perform inner join, first you have to remember that it should be same common column name should be there. Okay, here's player name and player name, the common column name. So we can perform inner join here. And next thing, and what inner join returns here? So here Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli. There are two common rows are there, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli on column name. So it returns only these two rows. Okay, because Hardik Pandya is not there in player's salary, and Bumrah is not there in player's age here. Okay, so it returns only the common values. Okay, common row values here, common rows. It returns only common rows on a column, same column name, right? And we'll see step by step how to steps for implementing inner join. First we have to read the two Excel files, player age and player salary. Okay, and then we have to convert the two Excel files into data frame objects. We have seen this earlier, how to convert Excel files into data frame object. We have to import pandas, and you have to read the Excel file here. Same observe here. Okay, we have to import pandas here. Okay, and pandas they read Excel here to read the data frames. This player age and salary here. So here player age in Excel, okay, Excel file, and another player salary. So these two we have to read, and we have to convert into data frames here. Okay, so this is a player age salary Excel file and salary file. We are converting using read_Excel function in pandas package. Okay, and store in the data frame object df1 and df2. Okay, so execute it now. So we got the player name age, see Rohit Sharma 36, and player name, and here sports person. So here not salary to salary. See player name. See, to perform inner join, both data frames should have common column. Remember, to perform inner join, both data frames should have common column name. So here player name and player name has common column name. Okay, inner join returns common rows between these two data frames here, and we'll see to perform inner join, pandas has merge function here. Okay, pandas has merge function, pd_merge function. In merge function, we have to write which data frames you are perform inner join. Okay, we are performing df1 and df2, df1 comma df2 inner join. And next thing, on which column name. Okay, so I told you there should be same column name between the two data frames. Here player name is the same column name here. Okay, on is equal to player name, on is equal to player name. Okay, and also which attribute means which join you are performing. We are performing inner join here. Okay, I am performing inner. How is equal to inner. Okay, By default merge function take inner function. It doesn't matter you are written how attribute or not, but just write here. Okay, so merge function joins two data frames, and we have to write in merge function which data frames you are performing joining and on which column name we are performing joining. We are performing joining on player name here. Okay, the two data frames have same column name, player name and player name, on player name, and which join you are performing. We are performing inner join here. Okay, by default merge function take inner join. So if you are making left join, you are right here, left here. Okay, right means right here. Okay, so just execute now and store in. If you want to see this in console, here, just write here x is equal to store in variable and print x here, simple. Right, execute it. See, observe here, it returns inner join returns only common rows between the two data frames here. Okay, on player name there are two rows are common here, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. It returns the two data frames, but observe here there are three column names here, player name, age and salary is there. Okay, in two data frames here, data frame 1, data frame 2, only two columns are there, player name and age one column, name and another one, player name and salary here. Okay, but if you perform inner join, it returns three columns here, player name, age and salary, but there are only two rows, no common. Inner join returns only two rows between two data frames, means common rows between two data frames. Inner join returns common rows between two data frames. Okay, so that's about the inner join. In the next video we will do left join here. Okay, so the description link for this left join given in the bottom here, just check it here. Okay.